What we're going to do is look at installing Deanos tools. We're on the boonex.com site and navigated to the market, as you can see highlighted here. So what we're going to do is search, and to make it simple, just type in Deano. I know his username is different than that, but see what we can come up with. Of course, you see his username here, Deano92964. Deano has quite a few modules, and his modules are all very worthy of using. Terms, enhance, site manager, head injections. I'm not sure why I'm not finding his Deano's tools here. Redirect any page after log on. That's a very highly used module. PHP blocks. It's nicely used. Site maintenance. Not seeing his Deano's tools. So let me go back up here to market. That was quite odd. That it didn't show up. Deano's tools. Right here. Open it up. Of course, it's free. You've done a magnificent job creating this. And we'll go to download. And we're going to save it. And see, it's downloaded already. So we'll open the folder where it's at. And generally what I do is take and cut it so I can put it in a directory where I can find it later. Just waiting for the computer to catch up with us. And with my computer, with the drive, have Dolphin 7 stuff here somewhere. See, I have several modules. There's Deano tools. It's probably the same version that was downloaded, but what I'll do is create a directory, put it in, so we can go through the entire process of how to get this installed. Of course, I have WinRAR. Most people may have 7-zip, or they have a standard compression agent on a Windows environment. What I'm going to do here is tap to extract. I'm just going to put it in a folder. Look right here. And the first thing that you always want to do anytime you get a module from any of these developers is to read the install text. See, so it's very easy to install it. It's easy to uninstall it. The gist of this is that you upload the entirety of the modules directory. So what we'll do is get our FTP program. And we use WinSCP. Other people may use FileZilla or CopyCup or a number of other available FTP programs. We'll open our FTP program here. Leave that just as it is. And go over here to our directory where we downloaded the module. I'm going to do with this is just grab this entire directory right here. And we'll take a look over here first in the HTML under modules. You see we have Linux and then Christian. So go back up to where it shows our public HTML, and we will grab the modules directory and drop it right there. And that is going to upload Deanos tools into the correct directories. And we'll let it finish uploading, then we'll take a look. Got it done. Go here and go into modules, and you can see it has Deanos tools. Okay, Deanos tools. And when if you get more modules from Deano, then they would end up being in this same Deano directory for management purposes. So with that, we're ready to go back to the admin of the site. And here on our admin panel, it's somewhat different than most because we have modified our admin panel. So where you find this at is in Tools. You're going to go to Modules. What you do is scroll down to Not Installed Modules. And you can see here we have the option to install Deanos tools. And it says installation of Deanos tools is done. You see it has completed. No errors, no messages that are negative. So now we're able to look at this right here. And you'll notice the underscore. Once you click on this DBCS Deanos tools, it's going to compile the languages. And now it's going to say Deanos tools. And we will end this particular video and continue on how to use this particular module with some of the functions that are on here. We do not use every function that Deano has, but we do have a use for a certain number of them. Thank you, and hope this module installation tutorial for Deanos tools has helped you.